That was also amazing. Today on the 24th of April 2023 we also got inside Kartanontie, Herrgårdsvägen 9, buildings 5, 7 and 9, all three are filmed. It's here in Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, as was also in Finland. Look at that beautiful painting there. It's a very beautiful painting in building 5 as well. But 7 didn't have it for some reason, or I didn't see it. It built in 1961, late 1961, finished in 1962, it was finished, the symbolization 9682. It turned 60 years old in 2021, it was expected in 2025 and it deserves 2 rights. But of these, the building 5 was best because it has the chromed panel inside.
Yeah.
And here it's regular.
Jetzt dit bara liftinstruutet med eteenpäin på hissi.
I love the smell and the sounds in here.
Same, yeah.
And I would also like to check the library.
Yeah. That's